Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Huntington Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Huntington Mortgage account, firstly, go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in huntington.com and make a search. The official page of Huntington Mortgage account will appear on the screen. You can see the login section at the right hand side of the screen. Enter your username and password associated with your Huntington Mortgage account and tap on login. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on forgot username or forgot password option. This is how you can log into your Huntington Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.